Chapter 6 The reason due to which there came to be among the people ones who were better than the angels, and there came to be among them ones who were more evil than the animals. I asked Abu Abdullah Jafar Asws bin Muhammad Asws, so I said, are the angels higher or the children of Adam is? So he ASWS said, Amir al-Mu'minin Ali ASWS bin Abu Talib ASWS said, Allah Azwj mighty and majestic made to be the angels, intellect without, lustful, desires, and made to be in the animals, lustful, desires without intellect, and made to be in the children of Adam is, both of these. So the one whose intellect overcomes his desires, so he is better than the angels, and the one whose desires overcome his intellect, so he is more evil than the animals. Chapter